What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are here to talk about Shiba Inu. Right now, if we take a look at the price, we see that my last notification told me the price was down about 5% in the last few hours. But overall, the waters are quiet. You know, the waters are still. And this is what I like to call the calm before the storm. We know that we have a few major catalysts coming up with Shiba Inu. I'm talking about the biggest catalyst that we've seen so far with SHIB, y'all. Shibarium is about to be released. The team has told us so far that they are expecting to release it at the end of quarter 3. We know that that is September 30th, y'all. We have 3 days until that happens. I believe we're going to see a big shift in volume, you know, possibly a lot of people putting money in to position themselves before, you know, we actually see this take off. And if that is correct, then it's likely a lot of people are going to FOMO after they see that smart money get injected. Now remember, this is not financial advice. This is not telling you to do anything, telling you to go buy. I'm just letting you know my opinion, what I believe may happen. So right now, overall crypto market is down 5.3%, almost near that 900 billion level. Let's take a look at SHIB. We got SHIB back under the 11s for the first time in a few days now. Now we've seen it break all the way up to like 13, 14 range recently, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe just at 12 level. What was that? Let's see. Hold on. Let me get it accurate. Okay, so almost 12 and a half, like close to the 12 and a half range. About the 1230-ish level we seen it break out to recently. So now we're just seeing this pullback. We're seeing, you know, the price constantly impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So this is a natural pattern that plays out over time. But notice that, you know, it's lining up. This pullback is lining up with the catalysts that are about to come at the end of this month. Shibarium. October 1st is the Shiba Eternity card game official download day for everyone in the world, y'all. That is major. So there's a saying, buy the rumor, sell the news, where most people, you know, upon the rumor of an asset going up, they'll buy in, and then once it actually releases, those people that bought in early will sell and take profit, you know, on that information being released or whatever the rumor was, the date that it drops. And you know, we could see a pullback on the day that that happens as well. If, you know, we see like a last minute flash with a lot of people pumping in, you know, quickly, we might see, you know, break out to around, let me look at the chart. So I think we could test these around maybe the 1500 range. Let me show y'all this as well so y'all can see what I'm looking at. So some key areas of resistance that we're seeing if we just eyeball the chart. So we see about there. So right now what I'm doing is marking all the resistance points that we may run into, you know, on the way up. And so around this area right here. And you want to remember to always give or take a little bit too, because there's a lot of people that are expecting these areas and looking to make action or to take action before others actually do so. So, you know, we got the 12 level here, 13 here, low 14s, right about that 1500 range, and then you know, the 16 range. So it's looking like basically at every, you know, key range we're gonna see some traffic. So we're likely to see people taking profit at all these levels. If the price, you know, starts to move up this way and starts to slow down, people are likely to start selling off here. If it blasts through this level right here and it comes to test this level here, it's likely to continue to test this area where people will be likely to be selling. If it's bullish enough to continue to break through here, then it's likely to test this area. And then the same thing, if it breaks through this area and retests this area and continues to move up, then we know it's likely to test around this range before people start selling. And I like to teach y'all where people are likely to start selling or taking some profits at, so that way you can have the idea of what's going on right there. A lot of people don't understand why the price doesn't continue to move up sometimes, or they you know, see the good news happening, and then they start to see the price sell off, and this is why. And then as more people see people take profit at these levels, some people usually get discouraged and start to sell off and take profits, as well, not take profits, but either sell for a loss or break even as well. So that's one thing we got to watch out for also. But nonetheless, I'm bullish on SHIB overall, even though things are kind of quiet and calm right now. Now we're expecting and also speculating, which means we don't know for sure. We're just kind of guessing, hoping, making educated guesses that this will play out like this. So you got to remember, do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose, so that way you don't put yourself in a tight situation. But that's all we got for this video. I'm excited. We got Shibarium countdown, 72 hours. We got Shiba Eternity countdown, what is that, 96 hours. So it's looking up on the horizon. So don't be fooled by this pullback. This may be a quick opportunity to load more Shiba. Not telling you to do this. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's more like financial education, financial entertainment, whatever you want to call it. But you have to do your own decision making. So SHIB price down 4.6% right now. That's close to 5%. So if you're somebody who hasn't grabbed any, or you were buying at the higher levels and you want to bring your costs down, then this will be a good range to continue to dollar cost average at. Not just YOLO, not just throw all the money at it at one time, but take little bits, money that you don't mind risking losing, and then add that over time to accumulate your bag. But that's all we got. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.